Hey guys, I'm Julian with the Penguin Channel, as you know, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Not Mini, Home. So, let's get into this. Full disclosure, I have set this up just so I can cut to the chase. And the power cord works. Here it is. This is beautiful. Just a stunning piece of technology. So, we're going to pop it out. Just start with OK Google, reveal. We're going to plug let's plug this in. Now, I heard there's a really nice boot time, so okay, that's what I'm talking about. So, before I sign out, I'm going to check this out. Okay, Google. Play music by Sia.
Alright, check out this Sia radio mix on Google Play Music.
I like this song. If you guys like this song, drop a like. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Stop. Set a 13-minute timer for the pizza. Okay, Google. Set a 13-minute timer for the pizza.
Okay, a 13-minute timer called the pizza, starting now.
Okay, so I'm going to do one more time. Okay, Google. What's nice to meet you in Korean?
만나서 반갑습니다.
Someone comment that down below. Okay. Okay, Google. Who is the U.S. president when NASA was founded?
Dwight D. Eisenhower.
Interesting, I didn't know that. I learn something every day. Okay, we gotta try one more. Let me look through this pamphlet. Okay. Okay, Google. Play some music.
Alright, music on Google Play Music. Here you go.
I don't know what song this is. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. What song is this?
This is Somewhere Out There by Our Lady Peace.
I like that song. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Trivia.
I've been waiting for this. I have a whole thing that I do. Okay, start the music.
I heard this and what happened, but I didn't believe it. My bad.
Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? I'll go ahead and assume you're feeling lucky and start the show.
Okay, I'm not feeling lucky.
And I'm your Google Assistant. But enough about me. How many are out there?
1.
It's just you and me then. Let's do 5 questions. Okay,
Alright.
Your game name is Mangosteen. You can use your regular name outside of the game. Time to play. If you need to get out, say stop. It's about to start. When was Barbara Walters born? 1929, 1933, or 1945?
Comment down below, guys. 1935.
Sorry. When was Barbara Walters born? 1929, 1933, or 1945?
When, guys? 1935.
Once again, please. When was Barbara Walters born?
1935.
1929, 1933, or 1945?
1935.
The show must go on. You should have said 1929. This is question 2.
Darn
It's
it.
a good one, about movies. Who won the Academy Award for Best Actor for the 1988 movie Rain Man?
Comment down below.
Hoffman, Martin Lawrence, or Albert Finney?
Dustin Hoffman. Yes!
Awesome!
Yep, that's it. Question 3 is here. It's geographical. Thailand is located on which continent? Australia,
Asia.
Asia, or Europe?
Asia!
That's correct. Question 4 has arrived. Here it is. Seaman for Sega Dreamcast is narrated by which actor?
This one's for you
Leonard
guys.
Nimoy.
What is
Phyllis
the
Diller.
answer?
Or Pauly Shore?
Pauly Shore. Sorry guys, I don't know this. I wasn't born
You're
in the
smart,
90s.
but that one was tough. You didn't get it right. Sorry. The answer I was looking for is Leonard Nimoy, because that's the correct answer. Last question. As an experiment, let's try some science. True or false, the scientific name of the western lowland gorilla is gorilla, gorilla, gorilla.
False. Is that true? Comment down below if that's true.
Who wrote that question? Sorry, can't give you a point this time.
Sorry guys, I am a sorry excuse
You've
for
done
a
it,
Google
and now it's
trivia
done.
person.
Let's see how your luck measures up. Let's check your score. You got 2 correct. Not bad. Not bad at all. But you can always do better.
Not bad.
Do you want to play again?
It's terrible. No. And actually, Google, thank you for this great YouTube video.
Well, it's been a joy.
That's all for now,